What's up, YouTubers? PokeJediTrek's here. So today I have another fantastic cooking video I'm going to show you. So today I am going to show you how to make ice cream sandwiches. They're really easy to make, and let's go over what we need. So to make ice cream sandwiches, all you're going to need are some cookies and some ice cream. Because here's something you probably didn't know. You can actually use cookies for to make ice cream sandwich with them. So let's go over what we got to do. So first things first, you're gonna soften up your ice cream. You need to soften up your ice cream. If you have to, use a microwave. And make sure you are very, very careful when you use the microwave. And make sure you be careful because you don't want the ice cream to melt. You just need to soften it. It's like butter. Alright, then next you're going to take your ice cream and you're going to spread it out all over your... You're going to spread it out on top of your cookie, like so, just whatever's soft. Then you're going to take the other cookie and compress it. And then you're going to stick it in the freezer until it's hardened. And there's one more thing you should probably do when you're making, another thing you should keep in mind. It's up to you on how you want to make your cookies. If you want to make your cookies from scratch but don't know how to, be sure to check out some of my past cooking videos on how I actually made cookies. So yeah. Alrighty, let's pull this out of the freezer. It's been sitting in there for some time and mostly been okay. So this is how the final product should look like. So I'm gonna give it a sample to see if it kind of dripping everywhere, but good thing I put it on a plate. Well, it's a little thick, kind of hard to munch, but it's surprisingly. Then again, I put some cookies in the freezer along with the ice cream, but it does. Well, I would give this one a fail because I kind of softened the ice cream a little too much, and I put it back in the freezer, but I find it pretty futile. So, and plus the ice cream is dripping everywhere, so I'm going to consider this one a fail. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see you next time.